Hey there, Mark Yagi. Welcome back to the channel. Just a quick little update today about how I'm rolling my calls. A lot of you have been watching this trade kind of taking place. It's more than one trade, by the way, so don't judge the trade by what's going on today. To a lot of you who don't have a different way of thinking, you're probably like, this is bad. It's over your strike price. This is crazy. It's up $28, as you see right there. I'm thrilled that it's up $28. I'm really genuinely happy for myself and for you because I sold the 320s. And over the 320s, that's the maximum amount of juice that I can make. Hey, look, I make the juice whether it goes up or down, but on the way up, my base position goes up. So I'm thrilled today, okay? Let me show you why I'm thrilled. Take a look at this. So you can see MicroStrategy here is up $28 right now. Look, I'm up $3,500 for the day. Yeah, I know, I could have been up way more if I didn't have covered calls, for sure. But when it was going down, you didn't say that. And so I get $3,500 just in profit today. Why? Well, the calls are going against me by 18,235, and the base position is going up for me, 21,789, and my delta is climbing. That's the coolest thing, is the delta is climbing. Now, what does this mean? Well, remember when I sold these calls? It was like, I don't remember. I think it was like $12 a juice. I can't remember exactly, but anyway, I sold them for $14.45, and now I only look at the juice. I'm going to be buying them back for $1.64. Right? So I got $1,445 per contract when I sold them, and now it's only going to cost me $164 per contract to buy them back. Actually, right lower right now if you look at it, because it goes all over. Right? So I'm going to do that. Like, I get 2 bites of the apple this week. Why? Let's look. If I go out, and I'm not going to roll up all the way because I want to keep that cushion. Now, the stock could keep going up. Maybe I do this tomorrow. But now it's at 369, right? Just hit 369. And I'm looking at this and I go, okay, it's at 369, but I don't want to roll up all the way. I still want to get twice as much juice for the week, or a little bit more juice for the week. So what do? Well, let's take a look. This is $9 deep. I get $10.50 per share if I do those. Or if I go a little more than $10 deep, I pick up $942 per contract for 4 days. Like, I got 8 contracts, like $7,000. It's like a free $7,000 that I already made my other juice, so why would I want to hold on to that? I'm going to roll this up, but not roll it up all the way. Because if I roll it up all the way and the stock goes down another $10, I'd be happy, but I'd be way happier if I did the 357.50s because I'm still not below the strike, and so I'm not losing dollar for dollar, right? So I always like to leave myself a little bit of cushion. Let me show you how that works. So we go here, and you see my 320 calls that are expiring on Friday. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go right-click on those, create a rolling order. It's really simple. I'm going to stay the same week, right? Because I'm getting 2 bites of the apple this week. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to roll to the, what do we decide? The 357.50s, right? That's about $10, a little bit more than $10 in the money. I think that's a good deal. I still get to make a good amount of juice. I'm going to give it a market order, confirm, send the order, and I just did it. So now let's take a look and make sure that it properly went into the account. I had those, and now I have these 357.50s. I picked up $20.65. You remember, like 950 of that was juice, right? The rest of this is all protection amount. So this stock can go down $2,065 per contract, and I still don't lose any money. That's the beauty of doing covered calls when the market's going up. So don't be looking at it like you're going to get your calls away. I just rolled mine, right? I even rolled them the same week. You're not going to get your calls away. You're not going to lose your base position. You're just trading this for the juice. You get into this little flow and you trade it for the juice. And that's all I'm doing. See you on the next video. Hey, it's Mark Yagi, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do that right now. That would be a great favor to me, and plus it helps me get this material out to a lot of other people that might need it. I've got a little bit of a movement going on here, and I want to try to change the world one person at a time, showing them that you can make safe, reliable income from the stock market. And plus it helps to grow the channel a little bit. Also, if you would give me a thumbs up on the video and like it, great. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down, that's cool. But just tell me why you don't like it so I can get better. And then hit the notification bell so you can get these videos as soon as they come out, because a lot of times this is timely information and you want to get that information before it gets stale. The last thing is to join my free Insider Tips newsletter. There's a link below and you get everything in one spot. You get breaking news and analysis also. So that would be great if you could do that too. See you soon.